Always a marvelous job. Yes, and I think it's important to have somebody that you trust take care of your car. I just feel total confidence in them, and they're so pleasant here too. I always recommend this shop to everybody. I said they're reliable and they know everything about cars, and I trust them perfectly, and it's always been wonderful to have the auto shop. The auto shop is a place to take your car.
Oh yeah, absolutely. It's incredible transparency. It allows me to see the things the technician is seeing without having to be in a shop and getting dirty. I don't even need to be here. I can get it by email or text, browse through it at my convenience, and it allows me to make a better decision about the proper care and feeding of my car. It's beautiful. It's got all the displays. It's got a ton of awards all over the walls. Very convenient. Coffee, sodas, magazines, little kids play place. This is a beautiful waiting room. Far enough away that when I'm sitting here waiting, I don't hear the hustle and bustle of the front desk. I can just focus on my own thing. I can read Facebook or do work or whatever I need to do. Peace of mind. Peace of mind. Very good thing to have. I love the warranty that he's got here. The 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty gives me an incredible amount of comfort knowing that if I have any problems, I travel a lot, so if I'm anywhere in the country, I'm always taken care of.
We've known Jerry since 2011. That's the first time when I came and met him over here. I've been working with him for almost a little bit over 13 years. It is a very good shop, size-wise. It's a very good, very clean, very nice, very helpful. Any question you have, they'll answer it for you. I recommend him because of his honesty, his work, things like this, to trust.
It's a great place, good technicians, and great ownership, man. You can't beat Jerry and Laura. All in all, customer service, price, general, just the warm, fuzzy feeling. I just can't say anything bad about the auto shop. They're great.
I've recommended Jerry many times to people, and those that have come here have been very satisfied. My wife doesn't drive that much, so when I do bring my car in, he's got loaner cars, which are very beneficial. And if there's not one available, drive the car in, they take me home, they pick me up, bring me back to pick up my car. That's very helpful. I would say they're probably not the cheapest price in town, but they're honest. The service is quality. Get what you pay for, and I never hesitate to come back.